Welcome to qnawire.
Hello friends, here it is given two L-shaped arms, each of mass 5 kg, welded at the 1/3 point of 600 meter long shaft AV. So here mass of each L-shaped arm is given 5 kg. Length of shaft AV is 600 millimeter and AV is rotating with angular velocity 360 rpm. We have to calculate first part, angular momentum of the assembly about the B point and angle theta between angular momentum about V and AB line, or you may say BA. Let us start solving it. Mass of each assembly is 5 kg. Its side A is 200. I am writing here side A 200 millimeter or 0.2 meter. Omega x is 0. Angular momentum along y-axis is 0. Angular momentum along z-axis is 36 rpm, that is 12 pi radian per second. Now angular momentum of the assembly about the centroid G, I am marking here centroid G. This will be the centroid G about which we are finding. Parallel to this is x-axis, y-axis, axis and z-axis, right? And assembly, so here we can write angular momentum of the assembly about centroid G or center of mass G. Its x component will be minus Ixz omega. Y component will be Iyz omega and z component will be Iz omega. To find the moment of inertia of the assembly, given assembly has to be divided into 4 parts that we are marking: 1, 2, 3, 4, each having the mass half of 5, that is 2.5 kg, and side is 0.2 meter. So here we can write assembly has to be divided into 4 parts named 1, 2, 3 and 4, and mass of each part is 2.5 kg and its length is 0.2 meter. To find the moment of inertia of assembly, we will find the moment of inertia of each part and then sum up. So we are writing it in tabulated form. Part moment of inertia along xz, along yz, along z axis. First, second, third, fourth, and summation. Moment of inertia along xz plane will be minus half m dash a square. Along yz plane it will be 1 by 4 m dash a square, and along z axis it is 1 by 12 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 m dash a square. Similarly, of second part, minus 1 by 4 m dash a square, 0, 1 by 3 m dash a square. Of third part of the assembly, minus 1 by 4 m dash a square, 0, 1 by 3 m dash a square. Of a fourth part, it is minus half of m dash a square, 1 by 4 of m dash a square, and 1 by 12 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 m dash a square. So of the whole assembly means we have to sum up it. So this value will be minus, adding all 4, you will get minus 3 by 2 m dash a square, along yz half m dash a square, and this would be 10 by 3 m dash a square. Now we can write angular momentum of the assembly about the centroid G along x-axis, y-axis and z-axis, substituting the value of moment of inertia. So along x-axis having the value minus 3 by 2 m dash a square omega 3 by 2 2.5 square 12 pi. So on solving it, its value will be 5.65 kg meter square per second. By component of it, minus half m dash a square omega mass m dash having the value 2.5 kg, a having the value 0.5 meter, omega is 12 pi radian per second. So this will be minus 1.8850 kg meter square per second, and its z component would be 10 by 3 m dash a square omega, substituting the value of mass m dash, that is 2.5 kg, and a, that is 0.5 square, 12 pi. So on solving it, it would be 12.564 kg meter square per second. Velocity of center of mass will be 0 because it is passing through the axis of rotation. So first part, angular momentum of the assembly about V point. We can write angular momentum about the centroid G plus R cross Vg into velocity of center of mass, but this is 0. So we can write it would be 5.6549 I cap plus minus 1.8850 J cap plus 12.5664 K cap kg meter square per second. So this is the answer of part A. Now answer of B part. We first find the magnitude of angular momentum about B point. (5.6549) whole square minus 1.8850 whole square plus 12.5664 whole square. So its magnitude would be 13.9085 kg meter square per second. 6. Since we have to give its direction with AV, or AV is lying along the z-axis, so we are finding this angle with z-axis. So cos of theta will be z component of angular momentum divided by its magnitude direction cosines. So it will be 12.5664 divided by 13.9085. So theta will be 20. BA, you have to give with BA, sorry, so it will be negative sign. So it becomes 154.6 degree. That's all for it. Thanks for watching it.